So now I start with the C programming looping. So looping is a concept which is used to execute one statement more than one time. So if you want to execute one statement more than one time, then we are using looping. Okay, so this looping is of two type of looping we are using. Normally, there is a concept in your mind that looping is of three types. So looping is not three types. Looping is of two types. Only looping construct is three types. Type for applying the looping, we are using three looping construct. So three looping construct were used. So that is called as the your for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Okay. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so looping is of two type. One is fixed loop, another is variable loop. Looping construct is three type. That is for loop, do while loop, and do while loop.
Yes, sir.
Then in the for loop, what will be the syntax in the for loop? It contains the three part. One is initialization, testing condition, then update statement, increment or decrement. The for loop contains the three part. First, we have to initialize the value. Then we have to check the value. Means if your condition is true, then statement within the while loop is execute. तो प्रथम एटा मार्क कर फास्ट कौन रहिबो फॉर लूप रे हमर वैल्यू इनिशियलाइजेशन हबो तापर हमर कंडीशन चेक हबो जदि मोर कंडीशन टा ट्रू अछि ताले स्टेटमेंट विद इन द फॉर लूप एग्जीक्यूट हबो तापर मोर इंक्रीमेंट एंड डिक्रीमेंट हबो तो एटी द प्रोसीजर देला द इनिशियलाइजेशन स्टेटमेंट इज एग्जीक्यूट ओनली वंस then the test expression is evaluated. If the test expression is evaluated to false, then the for loop is terminated. However, if the text expression is evaluated to true, the statement inside the body of the loop is executed. If your condition is true or till your condition is true, the statement within the for loop is executed. Then your increment and decrement is happened. This process goes on until the text expression is false. When the text expression is false, the loop is terminated. Okay? Omajit, Sunil,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Manisha,
ସାର୍
Yes, sir.
Bujala?
ବୁଝିହେଲା ସାର୍
Yes,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
sir.
Okay. Then I move to the small program which is verifying you for the for loop. It is display you for the number, or it is this for loop is giving you the number from 1 to 10. This for showing, it is showing you the value from 1 to 10. That is showing you from 1 to 10. First I equals to 1. 1 is less than 11. Yes, 1 is less than 11. Condition is true. Then it is printing you 1. Then I value is increment to 2. Okay. So I plus I means it is increment the value to 2. Then 2 is less than 11. Condition is true. Then it is printing you 2. Then 2 is increment to 3. 3 is less than 11. Condition is true. It is printing you 3. Then 3 is increment to 4. 4 is less than 11. Condition is true. Then it is printing you 4. I value is increment to 5. 5 is less than 11. Condition is true. Okay, so it is up to, it is going on up to 10. Okay, so it is printing you from 1 to 10. Sunil? Sunil কথা আমাদের কিছু শুভনি। Manisha?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Nice, sir. बुझिएगा।
हाँ sir।
हाँ ଏବେ ଶୁଭିଲା। ରୋମେଜିତ କିଛି ଡାଉଟ୍ ଅଛି ଆ ଭିତରେ?
Nice sir, nice.
That is the first program for the for loop. Then we
Sir?
can हाँ
Sir,
हाँ କୁହ।
plus plus I ଜାଗାରେ I plus plus ଦେଇଥିଲେ କଣ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା?
सेम रिजल्ट ଦେଖେଇବ। ଏଠି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ପାଇଁ ନଉଛେ ନା, ତେଣୁ ଏଠି କିଛି ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ଡିକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ जो ପ୍ରି ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ର କୌଣସି ଇଫେକ୍ଟ ଏଠି ପଡ଼ିବନି। ଆମେ ଏଠି ଯାହା ବି ନବ ପ୍ରି ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ର କୌଣସି ଇଫେକ୍ଟ ପଡ଼ିବନି, କାରଣ वी आर वर्किंग विथ अ सिंगल ऑपरेंड। ओके, जदि एई भ्यालू टाको आमे आनिके आउ गोटे वेरिएबल स्टोर करतांते देन इट इज अफेक्टेड। बुझियला?
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir ବୁଝିଲି। ଆଜ୍ଞା
Yes,
sir,
sir.
ମାନେ ସେ ଭେରିଏବଲ ଟାକୁ ୟୁଟିଲାଇଜ ଯଦି ଅଗେନ୍ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଭେରିଏବଲ ପାଖରେ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟେସନ।
हाँ हाँ
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଓକେ sir।
now I am go for the conditional construct, that example. And for reversing a number, we write here another program. Suppose int I c printf enter enter a number for multiplication table. So here I pass scanf percentile d,
सर ସେଠି print f ହବ ନା?
then ampersand ampersand
सर
then for c is equals to 1, c less than equals to 10, then c plus plus. Then here we pass MUL equals to norm into C. Then printf we have to define percentile d into percentile d equals to percentile d. Then percentile d first we pass norm comma then C comma MUL. Slash n.
सर ସେଠି print f ହବ ନା? enter a number ପାଖେ।
Enter a number for multiplication table. Suppose here I pass here 8. So see that here it is display you the total multiplication table 8 into 1 8, 8 into 2 16, 8 into 3 24, okay, 8 into 5, the total multiplication table it is displayed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next, I want to display the number in a reverse order. Okay, so I have to pass the two number and print it into the reverse order. The next program I have to define enter two number and it is display you the reverse order int norm1 norm2. So two number here we define. So now I will display here enter first number enter second number then we have to display all the number between norm1 and norm2. Okay, in first we display all the numbers, then we display in a reverse order. First here we define another variable c. The c equals to suppose norm2, so till C is greater than equals to norm1, then C minus minus. Then it is display you printf C. Percentile D slash n. The enter first number, suppose I am right here 20, enter second number, suppose I define here 30. See that it is display all the number in a reverse order, 30, 29, 28, 27, okay, 25 up to 20. So here I have defined enter first number, it is stored in the number, it is stored in the norm2. Now I am defining another variable C equals to norm2. In a C variable I have stored norm2 value. Then C equals to 30 is less than equals to 20. Condition is true. It is printing you 30. Then 30 is decrement to 1, 29. 29 is greater than 20. Yes. Then it is printing you here 29. Then it is decrement to 28. 28 is less than 28 is less than 20. Yes. Then it is printing you 28. Then it is become 28 to 27. 27 is less than 20. Condition is true. Then it is printing you the value. So in this way, your what it is showing you all the value in a reverse order or in a decrement order. Okay, Bujala?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, sir.
Okay. So it is the one program, another program of for loop which is display all the numbers between the two number in a reverse order. You write a one program that you have to display all the even number between a particular range. You have to give a range number one and number two and find out all the even number. So write a program enter two value and find out all the number all number between the two value. Okay, it is a one question. Write a program, enter two value, and find out all the even number between the two values. Then write a program, enter two year, find out all leap year between the range. So find out all the leap year between the two value. That is the two condition, two assignment I have given. So do it and send me in
Yes,
the
sir.
WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
सुनील तमे कहीं किसी एक्सरसाइज करनो एक्सरसाइज करी पठाओ. Then see break statement. The break is a keyword.
ଶନିବାର ସାର୍
कौन कहलो?
ଶନିବାର ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ପାଇଁ ଜ୍ୱର ହେଇଗଲା ଆଉ ଗଲେନି ଟେଷ୍ଟ ବି କଲେନି ଜ୍ୱର କରୋନା
अरे
ଟେଷ୍ଟ
किसी
କରିବାକୁ ଇଏ ଦେଇଦେଲି
करी कि मते पठाओ.
yes sir
The break is a keyword which is used to bring the program control out of the loop. The break statement is used inside the loop or the switch statement. The break statement break the loop one by one. That is, in the case of nested loop, it break the inner loop first and then proceed the outer loop. The break statement in the C can be used in the following two scenarios. Okay, so ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା ନା ଲୁପିଂ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବା ଆମେ 1 ରୁ ନେଇକି 10 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଶୋ କରିବା ବଟ୍ ଆଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଟାଇମିଂ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା ନା ଆମେ ବ୍ରେକ୍ କରିବା 10 ପରଠୁ ଆଉ କୌଣସି ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଡିସପ୍ଲେ କରିବାକୁ 6 ପରଠୁ ଯଦି ଆମେ କୌଣସି ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଦେଖେଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନେ ତ 6 ପାଖରୁ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ବ୍ରେକ୍ କରିଦେବା. So break statement is used to break your looping where there is not requirement to move forward. So break is a keyword in C which is used to bring the program control out of the loop. So it is stop your iteration. Okay, so it is not moving to the next value. The similar way, the continue statement is used in the loop. So in the continue statement, here if you pass any condition, मोरे condition pass करिवे, यदि से condition टा match होउची बा true होउची, तो से समय कौन हबो ना element टा मत गोटे particular number टा मोर skip करिवो. Suppose I want to I am using a loop which is printing you from 1 to 10, but I want to skip the sixth number of element. I want to skip the sixth number of element. At that case, here we are using. Suppose here the example has given that when your condition is 5, when your value is 5, you have to skip the elements. Okay, so it is only skip 1 2 3, it skip 5, then it is showing you 6 7 8 9. Clear?
Yes, sir.
चला skip जो continue रा काम.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
next class रे तारा practical टा मु देखेबी. होला? चलो.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.